hell. Now we are gonna learn why they are called the siblings. So, tell me, how did you acquire this nickname?
Well, we talk really loud and all the time, to the point where people are looking at us constantly, and then they give us these weird looks and we're just like, that's right, yeah, we're badass. Devil siblings.
And we sing a lot, and people get irritated because we sing, and then we like move our seats, and we hit each other.
And we throw money all over the place.
Money.
Money. This is our currency in our world. We throw this all over the place.
Okay. And now you know why they're called the siblings from hell. This is Veridiana for CNA. We just arrived in Recife. That's R-E-F-I-C-E. Let's find out. Let's find out how the siblings from hell are planning to give. Vai falando.
Não, mãe, você já fez a gente passar bastante vergonha, vai.
Fala, Ana. The siblings from hell are acting like celebs. They don't feel like giving interview right now. Look, they don't even look at the camera anymore. It's because they have their manager. Their manager don't let them give interview without charging, and I don't have a cent on me. This is Veridiana for CNN.